Located in desirable Bagy Wrinkle Cove, this beautiful townhouse is drenched in sunlight inside and out. The updated kitchen boasts granite and stainless steel appliances with French doors leading into the dining room with a custom buffet. The skylit living room with fireplace and cathedral ceilings is a picturesque setting to gather with family and friends. Glass sliders lead out to a wonderful screened-in porch with a private patio area where you can enjoy alfresco dining. Upstairs is a spacious master bedroom suite with an updated bathroom and ample storage, as well as 2 additional spacious bedrooms that share a full bath. Enjoy the clubhouse, outdoor pool, and beautiful grounds of this waterfront community with access to the East Bay bike path. This home is centrally located between Main Street in Warren and Thames Street in Bristol. Cold State Park is an incredible expanse of land sitting right on Narragansett Bay and features walking trails and sporting facilities. Downtown Providence is less than 30 minutes away and is a hub of renowned theaters and cultural experiences. For more information, please visit the property website or call Lisa Shriver at area code 401-529-5724 or Sunny DePasquale at area code 401-465-1650.